overall, I think the best build is the airboat. The second best build is got to be the fire engine, although there are issues with some bolt lengths there, although that may have been because I lost a bolt while I was doing it. I'll have to check that actually. I must go through another set. The worst one by far is the helicopter for the build. All three are neat models, I suppose. I think the best construction overall has to be the airboat. It probably has the least play value though. The fire engine has the best play value. It moves to and fro, the tower rotates, moves up and down, and you can even move the nozzle, although it will come loose because there's no more 9-lock nuts left. Of course, once you get a few sets you can improve that, but as a model, a small model at that as well, a set that probably is aimed at newbies more than anybody else, it does have some issues. The helicopter, to be honest, I wouldn't bother building that one. Do your own thing. However, its form has inspired me to do something a little bit different, and it's not a helicopter, but it will be hopefully made with the set parts. And I've also got an idea, thanks to a few comments made about the airboat, about doing something with something that's inspired really. So there you are. I think at the cheap price of £7.50 each at Argos at the moment, it's okay. At a tenner each, no, I don't think so. There are better sets out there, older sets of course. Not the last incarnation of the 3 model set, but the one before, which was like a JCB, that does have good play value. There's a video on that in the playlist for multi-models builds. You find with that it's got a little bit more to it. It's got a working bucket. It's got moves forward and back. The build's perhaps a bit fiddly again. It's quite small. That set probably compares more with this than the previous set to this one, which was the light aircraft one, which is by far better. Perhaps not best to compare. It's quite different really, but I suppose because it's called the same, Multimodels 3, it's bound to be compared that way. So, best bits of the sets in total, well, the paint's generally good. There are a couple of bits of missing. I like the tyres. Round axles, fantastic. The small narrow angle brackets like there, great, quite a use for those. Even the small 4-roll, it's hard to show you now, underneath there, the 4-roll girder plate, I could do with one of them, which I haven't got one in that colour, that small. So, you know, overall they're not bad, but certainly with the helicopter, must try harder with that one. So, to round up then, if you're going to buy this set, shop around, as you should do really for all sets I suppose. See what you can get, multiple buys, special offers, that sort of thing. Argos is about the only one doing that at the moment, with the 2 for 15 quid instead of what would be 2 for 20. Best model is debatable. There's more play value in the fire engine, the build's not as good. The airboat's a nice build, very nice build, but lacks play value. The helicopter I wouldn't bother with, but of course once you get a few sets, put all the bits together and see what you can come up with yourself.